Going to get empty.
Yeah, there'll be no water left in it when Laura's been.
Well, when she jumps in, it will just splash out.
Sure.
I think she might. Now, do you want to take that collar back with you, or is that enough shirt?
She can have it. Yeah, she had it for... Ooh, sorry.
Sorry, Lua.
Oh, is it gone?
You almost got it.
Don't encourage her. They're going to dry her when she gets out. Not sure about that.